is Fred Aberley, and I work with MarineMax at our Westbrook location at 627 Boston Post Road. Today I'm going to show you a 13-foot Boston Whaler. This is a 13-foot Super Sport powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard motor. This boat has all the options you'd want on a boat this size for a great day of family fun on the water. For shade, the boat has a bimini. For drinks, the boat has a cooler. For seating and getting sun, the boat has a bow cushion. And especially great with this boat is the option of which I'm sitting in are bucket seats. It's a real back saver on a Sunday afternoon. Please come see us at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, 860-399-5581. This is a used Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. It's at a great price of just under $20,000. Boat, motor, trailer, all the options are already installed. You come by, buy the boat, and drive away and have a great time out on the water the rest of this season. Thanks for watching.